It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I am late with my box because last weekend was Labor Day weekend, and you know, like, I had fun. I was living my life. So I owe you guys the box for August 2024. My box did come in on August the 30th, so literally right before the weekend started, it showed up. And as you guys know, the brown sugar box ships out at the end of the month. So this is my pay for box. This box is a monthly Black Lifestyle subscription box. This box is $42 plus $8.95 for the shipping and handling, and if there is tax based on where you live at. So basically this box comes in around $50 and maybe some change, a little bit more based on taxes where you live. So this is a lifestyle box. Every month they have different themes. So we're going to get right into my box here. I have taken everything out of its package so I don't slow us down today, and we're going to get right into this thing. So this is the box that they sent. This is a little one, but I love the artwork detail on it. I just love it. I love it. They got a little dark skinned girl on here. Yes. So I am here for that. Love this box. Love the artwork. I think it's absolutely stunning. So let's get into what came in my box. We did get our little magazine here, and this is our magazine that comes in our box. And this month, the lovely lady on the front is Myra. So we're stepping into the month with the spirit of Myra, and she's our cover girl of the month. And she's all about the main character energy. Her name alone speaks volumes and echoes the limitless potential and grand versions that every Black woman carries with her as she hustles to leave her mark. And I love that. I think that's great. And the theme for this month's box was She Means Business. So I like that. So guys, in the theme of the Stanley Cup, we have our own Black girl version of our insulated mug here, and this one is huge. It did come with a metal straw, and it comes with a plastic straw, reusable. All of this is reusable, and you have your straw cleaners. So that was the item that was outside of the box. But this is the color theme or color version or theme of the one that I have. It has a black lady on it, and you can see like different faces and everything. But this thing is huge. Now, I haven't been on the Stanley Cup thing because I just think this is intimidating to drink this much of anything at one time. But I know people use these and take them with them for their day. So that's their day of liquid. Me personally, this is a lot of liquid. It's intimidating because, you know, I'm trying to get my water in, but this is intimidating to me. But I like the idea. I think that it's really cute that they came up with their own version of the insulated cup here. So that's really cool. This did come in other prints. It came in a total of 5 prints. So you could have got one of the 5. This mug is, this tumbler they're calling it, I apologize, is valued at $38. And it's a 40-ounce tumbler. And they said, elevate your hydration game with our 40-ounce tumbler here. This collection is a style, or rather a statement, that comes with this handy handle for easy grip. And I think this is really cute. But so this is valued at $38. And this is kind of what the inside looks like, if you guys are asking. So you got a lot in there. And yeah, you can clean this, but I think this is really cool. What do you guys think? So let's go to the next thing in our box here. And the next thing that I have this is the Essence Soul Leather Folio Pad Set. So this here is valued at $22. And this came in 4, is it 3 or 4 colors? 1 of 4. So it came in 4 colors. Again, this is valued at $22. And I think this is cute. I guess it's a nice little notepad. Look at this. And you got like a little pocket in here. I think this is cute. Really cute to have something. I think this is great, especially if you're like a big bad girl like me and I like to have something to write with. You could kind of toss this in your pocketbook. And And you know, if you need to take notes or you have some thoughts or your to-do list that you like to do, you have a little something to do it on. So this chic folio sports a gorgeous faux leather exterior, giving off a vibe of sophistication. And inside you'll find a 128-page notepad waiting for your thoughts, dreams, or daily to-do list. So I think this is cute. And again, guys, this is 1 of 4 and it's valued at $22. And we also received another one of our little booklets here, the Brown Sugar Girls Volume 5. This is the 30-day guide to walking in your boss energy. So this one is valued at $8. So I like these. They've been putting them in the boxes from the beginning of the year, or a little bit after the beginning of the year. But it's like little different things in here. Time management, little different things. I think this is good to give us kind of reminders to take care of ourselves, and I do enjoy that part about getting these little booklets. So this is valued at $8. I love the artwork that they have in these little booklets. I think it's so cute. So we also got a lunch bag. Now I actually needed a lunch bag, so this actually did come in on time for me, and this is a large lunch bag, which I really like. And it says this is a flavorful insulated lunch tote. There were 1 of 5 that you could have received. This is valued at $25. And it says add a dash of style and a sprinkle of presentation to your meal routine with your new lunch tote. Each tote is crafted from durable Oxford cloth and lined with aluminum, ensuring that your meals stay warm or your drinks stay cool up to 4 hours. So this is how the bag looks. Now, I would say it's probably not the best quality. I have seen a few flaws, like with the stitching right here. It'll get the job done. I'll use it till it gives out, pretty much. And then I don't like the fact that the zipper kind of hangs over. Like, I felt like this should have just been a shorter zipper or something. I don't know. It's just too much zipper. That's just me. I mean, because I feel like when you grab it, now you got all this extra zipper here for it to get caught on something. But this is what it looks like on the inside. But again, I need a lunch bag because I'm the person that recycles my shopping bags and they become my lunch bags. So I actually needed a real lunch bag. So I'm kind of happy that we did get a lunch bag. And that goes perfect with our little insulated mug. So for all of you bag ladies like me, you got your pocketbook, your lunch bag, your work bag with your laptop in it. Yeah, you can leave right out the door. You set for the day. So I thought this was good. Like I said, the quality's kind of not there for me for the value of $25 because, yeah, there are some stitching issues with the handles here. And then I think it could have been made a little bit better. That's just my opinion. If you guys did get this, let me know what you thought about that. But, yeah, to me, it's not the best quality. But I'll use it. So I think the idea is very cute. But I just think the quality could have been a little bit better for what they're valuing it at. So I also have my shirt of the month. So this is our shirt, and it's only came in one color, and it says hello brown sugar. And I love this. I think this is so cute. So our shirt is valued at $25. And I think this is so cute. This looks so great on me, and I'll insert the picture when I took a picture with this on. I thought this was really cute. So guys, in review for this month's box, again, the theme is She Means Business. So we have our shirt of the month here, which is Hello Brown Sugar. I love that. We have our 30-day guide to walking in your boss energy. Love that. We have our Izzy and Liv notebook. I love this. I think it's going to be kind of durable. It feels like this faux kind of material. But I wish it came with a pen. But I like how it has a little pocket. I think that's really cute. We have our huge tumbler that comes with your essentials, your metal straw, plastic straw cleaner. We have our lunch bag. And that is our box for the month of August 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did pick up this box this month, let me know what you thought about the tumbler that you got, if you like this. Because I know that's like the craze going on with the tumblers, the Stanley cups and everything. So I know everybody is like coming up with their own version. I did see that Izzy and Liv did have some of these on sale over the Labor Day weekend. But I don't know if the sale probably still might be going on. Y'all might want to check. So if you didn't pick up something or you like something out of this box and you wanted to buy it, go on the Izzy and Liv website, and if they still have stuff available, you can buy just the items that you like if you didn't get the box. So I think that's pretty cool too, if they're still available. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy our unboxing today, and I definitely will catch you on the next one. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and we'll let you know when I next post. But until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Fly me out to Paris.